Yeah, I want to do one more thing with my trash, and I think I'm going to delete this trash from my scene. I'm going to try to do a random spawn of trash. It's going to be really jonky, but we'll see what happens. Shall I do it? Yeah, okay, so what I'm going to do is make a blueprint, an actor blueprint, and I'm going to call this trash dispenser underscore BP. And the trash dispenser is really just going to be for me to dispense some trash. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete that. And I'm going to have a couple variables like min trash num, and that's going to be an integer, and then I'm going to have max trash num, also going to be an integer, and we're going to have that. Okay, yeah, and then I'm going to do another one called trash num. Okay, good, 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 good. I'm going to expose min and max trash num. And I'm going to go ahead and set them right now. Let me go ahead and compile these. And I'm going to have a random distribution of the trash. So min trash num is probably going to be 5. And max trash num, let's just set it to 20. And I can change that in the level later on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set trash num, and I'm going to set it to random integer in range. And my min is going to be my min trash num, and my max is going to be my max trash num. Okay. Well, once I have that, I'm going to do a for each loop. Okay. And I'm going to do this. No, not a for each loop. I'm going to do a loop. Actually, I haven't done this before. Can I do this? We're going to do this a number of times. So, oh gosh. You can watch me look for the best thing to do. A flow. What's a good flow? Oh, how about, no, I want to do this. I could do, no. Not a switch. Branch delay. Do N. Enter. Allows. No, I think I want to do a for loop. Uh-oh. Damn it. I screwed this up. There we go. Aha! This is what I do. Thank you. Thank you. It is the for loop, I think. The first one's going to be, yes, first index is 0, and then the last index. So if I get like 5, then the last index will be 5, and there will actually be 6. So let me go ahead and do 1. Let me just, out of curiosity, print string, and I'm going to print the index. So theoretically, that will do that. And then complete, I'm going to say print, and I'm going to say I'm done. Okay, just to make sure that's what is going to happen, let me go ahead and do that. Oh, haha. Event begin play. Yeah, let's see. Did that work? Didn't quite work. Why didn't it work? Play. So I don't know what I'm doing right now, and that's totally fine, isn't it? Oh, it didn't even print play. Why didn't it? Oh, ha ha ha! I never dragged this into my world. That's why. Because not doing anything because it wasn't in there. Let's set this to 0, 0, 0. And now if we play, it goes through 10. Great. Let's play it again. It'll go through 18. Cool. Okay, it's actually doing what I want it to do. Awesome. Cool. And it's essentially, again, it's doing a random number, and then it loops around. Well, what is it going to do when it's looping? It's not going to print the string. What it's going to do is spawn actor from class Spawn actor from class. I thought I'd be able to set it somewhere. Yep. And the class is going to be trash. Trash BP. And it needs to go somewhere, so it needs to be in a certain spot. Well, where is it going to go? I don't know yet. I want to get... I want to make a box. Jesus. Can we make a box? Make a box from min-max set to valid as true. Random point in bounding box. Okay. And I guess what I want to do is I want to get some values. Okay, so what am I going to do? X, Y, and Z. So I want to get... Oh, what can I do? Oh. You know what? I am going to add a box collision. I'm going to call it bounding box call. Why would I do that? Because get world location. I'm going to be able to place this. You'll see why. I'm going to take, okay, so this bounding box call, I'll be able to move this in my scene. And I'll also be able to scale it. And I can look at my top view. And really all I'm going to do scaly. Let's just make sure, there we go, that it falls in to something here. So, okay. This is how I'm going to do it now. I'll probably find a better way to do it later. Totally fine. A random point in a bounding box, and then its half size is, once again, we'll take this and we will say get box extent, and I'm going to break vector. And so if this box extent is 32, it's half. What we need to do is divide by 2. Divide by 2. And all of these we're going to divide by 2, and then we're going to make. We're going to make vector. There we go. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Oh, sorry. And sorry about that. So that's my half size. The X, Y, and Z. Okay. But the Z actually needs to be the whatever Z this is. So the Z of the mod house floor, and that just happens to be 0. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to actually set this to 0. Okay. It's not a transform yet. Why is it not a transform? Let me make transform. Make transform, because I need a rotation. Let's just set it to 0, 0. You know what? We could do random, and we could do scale as 1 to 1. That's fine. Okay. I think that's cool. Always spawn. The owner and instigator. Yeah. Okay. So it's going to do that every single time. Let's spawn actor. Oh, oh God. Bounding box, a random point. So yes, every single time it's going to spawn an actor inside of a random point. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, let's try it. Whoa. There we go. Those are really random. Are they really? Boom, 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 boom. Let's play it again, Sam. All right, now we have a few more. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Hey, now we have some more. Okay. Not terribly interesting, I suppose. Whoa! Okay. So how could I make this a little bit more interesting? I could take this bounding box. Let's grab... Where is the trash dispenser? And I can actually just make this bounding box a little bit bigger. Maybe even set some of it outside. There we go. Okay. And perhaps, just for now, I'm going to make this plain. Just in case any of the garbages. Wee-haw! That looks terrible. Set this down to -0.1. There we go. All right. Whoa, God. Here we go. So now I get to find the garbage all over. There we go. But I don't yet know. Oh, I can go outside and see if there's any. I don't yet know if I've won. So I think the easiest thing I'm going to do in the next video is make a win state. All right, see you then.